Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you how intermolecular forces work. But before we do anything, I drew the Lewis dot diagram to show you whether or not water is polar or non-polar. And it turns out water is polar because the single dipole, which is oxygen over there, cannot be cancelled. So first my partner Danny and I will drop water into oil to find out whether or not oil is polar or non-polar. So when the oil and water mixed, the oil did not dissolve, and that meant that the oil is non-polar. If the oil was polar, that's when it would dissolve, because likes dissolve like, as I've written in my notebook. Okay, so the type of intermolecular bond the oil has is dispersion, because dispersion is the only intermolecular force that can have a non-polar bond. Dispersion has the weakest force, and as you can see over here, that's the last drop, and we had 14 drops of oil, and obviously the drop was pretty weak. Okay, so for water, meanwhile the intermolecular bond with water, the water has hydrogen bond, which is the strongest bond, and the reason we know that is because it includes hydrogen and oxygen. And we have a little mess here, but okay, so over here Miss Paulina is going to help us, and before the last video we had a little problem with the water drops, but she clearly fit 29 drops of water because, as you can see here, water has a big attractive force, and it was pretty clear to everybody else that, you know, it's pretty strong. And so we couldn't get the last drop of it, but that's pretty much all the video we could get. So yeah.